Aside from fulfilling her role as Mrs. Ko, mas naging purposeful at willful daw si Bea Alonzo. Busy man, iniingatan niya ang sarili para healthy sa pagpapalaki ng future kids. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Marami ang kinilig sa mga kwento ni Bea Alonzo sa 24 oras kagabi at marami pa siyang na-share sa kanyang paglabas sa publiko after ng secret wedding nila ni businessman Vincent Ko. Sa media conference hosted by Sparkle artist Janina Chan, naikwento ni Bea na marami ang nagbago sa sarili niya. Ngayong nagbago ang kanyang civil status, Mrs. Bea Alonzo Ko has become more purposeful at willful sa kanyang mga desisyon.
Right now, I have to say, I have become more intentional and more conscious about longevity.
Kung dati-rati raw,
So, kung before, I would resort to like the quick fixes or the latest beauty trend or fitness trend. Right now, I invest more in my future self.
pero siyempre,
And that's not to say ayoko maging maganda. Dapat talaga maganda, maintain pa rin, di ba? Of course, I still want to look good. But ultimately, my priority now is to, have the energy to enjoy every chapter of my life.
she also shared with us a possibility in the near future.
Because as you said, I just got married. And naturally, of course, we are planning, sana hindi ito yung mag-headline, but of course, we're going to have to try to have kids in the future and, build a family. And when that day comes, of course, I'd love to be able to have the energy to run around with my kids, and to play with them and not just watch from the sidelines.
Bakas kay Bea, hindi lang ang saya, kundi pati na ang pagiging optimistic sa pagharap sa kinabukasan.
My headline would be, just getting started. No, kasi, diba, you've seen me in many different chapters of my life. I've lived many lives and you've seen it all. But somehow I feel like I'm only getting started. I'm so excited for what's to come, both personally and professionally. And I know that there is so much to life I still need to experience. So yeah, I'm just getting started.
It's safe to say, there's no stopping Bea, lalo na sa kanyang mga plano para sa kanyang career.
Right now, siguro, syempre was first from heaven. And I still have other opportunities that I'm really open to, doing. And meron kaming niluluto sana sa Tuloy, but right now I'm really just happy to be where I am.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happening.